Viewers, the latest news about Tigray and Eritrea war is that today Tigray Defense Force claimed that a heavy fighting is underway between Tigray Defense Force and Eritrean Defense Force at the Eritrea-Tigray border. And Tigray Defense Force has said that TDF soldiers have killed several Eritrean Defense Force soldiers during the war. And while the disputed areas at Eritrea-Tigray border are now under the control of Tigray Defense Force. And after a heavy fight, Tigray Defense Force has pushed the soldiers of Eritrean Defense Force 10 kilometers away from the border. And now Eritrean Defense Force is fighting 10 kilometers from the border in Eritrea, while Tigray Defense Force has gained control over disputed areas on Eritrea-Tigray border. And viewers, no statement received yet from Eritrean Defense Force and Eritrean government regarding this. And also being claimed by several other news sources, heavy war continues between Tigray Defense Force and Eritrean army on the long border between Tigray and Eritrea. And being said that Tigray Defense Force is trying to get inside Eritrea, but Eritrea's army is also fighting a heavy battle. And it has been reported that the army of Eritrea has been pushed back by Tigray Defense Force for 10 kilometers. But no statement from the Eritrean army and the government has emerged. And a news agency has said that according to the sources in Asmara, the Tigray Defense Force and Eritrean Defense Force war is being felt inside Eritrea. And many soldiers had been killed on the border. So viewers, so far this latest update about Eritrean Defense Force and Tigray Defense Force war. For more latest update, please subscribe channel. Thanks for watching.